here, I can come back to my region where we have this little grass right here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. But now that I'm here, I just want to say that I just want to tell you that it's been fun. California. Yeah. Look at this tree. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, I'm back. And I'm back. We're good. So, just wanted to tell you it's been fun time. California has a lot of plants. Real beautiful ones. Go check out my playlist on nature. So, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, see this? This is good, but to be sure, I'm gonna do a challenge. Alright? Now here's a challenge. Gonna go over here, take a left, take a down, take a up, right, and then go left, down, right, down, and come back, alright? In 20 seconds. No, actually 15. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Oh, okay. I did it. It was okay. Oh, okay, yeah, that was fun. Also, I'm gonna show my true self, face reveal, and okay, 150, 150, 200. Once I get 100 subscribers, I think that would be good. Yeah, look at that tree. Oh, alright. So, yeah, I'm gonna run for it. Actually, let me think about it. So, yeah, it's been fun. Showering some rain. Plant dried up over here. Kind of clean over here. So yeah. He thinks I'm doing TikTok. I'm his I don't know, but yeah. Also, wait. I have an idea. Alright. Let's do something. What if I go down? Okay, how about I go like this? Right here. I stand right here. I'll go over here, take a right, and then make a loop, come back, and go up, and then like this, and I'm here. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, by the way, it's 28, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I don't know what I just did. Yeah, this is gonna last like 5 minutes or so. Check out these rocks though. Pretty beautiful. So see you guys next time. Have a great afternoon or a great day. So bye and see you soon.